Changing the phone number associated with your Outlook account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Outlook website and log in with your email address and password. Make sure you have access to your account to proceed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select View Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Info. In the account settings, look for the Security tab or section. Click on it to find options related to your security information, including phone numbers. Step 4. Update phone number. Locate the section that lists your current phone number. Click on the option to edit or change it. Enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it, such as receiving a verification code. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your phone number has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change the phone number linked to your Outlook account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Outlook support for assistance.